Hi, this is Nick, and welcome to Results Detection Unleashed at results-detection.com. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at Digg.com and how to discover popular niches and hot topics for online users. The first thing we're going to look at, as always, is when it's best to use this method, and that would be if you're looking for a particular niche market to get into. This will give you a great idea of maybe more of a broader sense of an area to get into. And then also, if you wanted to generate traffic for an existing site or an existing niche that you're already in, you can hop on here and see what's getting traffic. If you feel like you want to go ahead and submit your article or your blog post to Digg, that would be a great way to generate some really significant traffic to your site. So we're going to go ahead and pop up Digg.com, and we're going to navigate to technology. If you click on this arrow here, pop up another menu and go down here and click software. And this is strictly for an example. I mean, feel free to browse any of these categories and subcategories on your own. And then I'm going to expand the search results out to 30 days by clicking here. Okay, now you'll notice as we scroll through here, more than half of these entries are going to be about Firefox, the web browser that I recommend. And you'll notice that a lot of these have to do with because Firefox just came out with a new version 3, which most of these will have to do with. And these are posts that are recommending that everyone use Firefox 3 and just giving news and updates on that system. So right away we can see Firefox is an extremely popular market, at least for Digg.com users, but actually it's growing very quickly in the online community in general. So that's a great observation to begin with. If you have something already that has to do with a blog about Firefox or creative uses of Firefox or add-ons, putting it on Digg would give you a really significant chance of getting some really good hits, some good traffic to your site. Right here we see an article titled 30 Plus Must Have Updated Firefox 3 Extensions. So basically this is an article stating that there were some incompatibility issues with old add-ons in Firefox between Firefox 2 and Firefox 3. So they're saying here are the extensions that are good that are now compatible with Firefox 3, and this is what I recommend using. And this is just a regular blog, and you can see the number of digs that were generated, 2,679. Basically, a dig is a vote, so this many users has said, yeah, we agree, we like this article. And it's difficult to translate this into actual traffic, but kind of a general idea is that however many digs there are, you can multiply that by 4, and that will give you possibly the number of actual visitors, unique visitors that come to your site. So basically 1 in 4 people actually dig the article, and then the others don't necessarily dig it. It means they don't necessarily like it or not like it. It's just that they don't take the time to vote for the article. So one thing that you need to be very aware of and very careful of is something that's called the Digg effect. And this is basically something that happens when a website gets promoted very quickly on Digg. The server will automatically go down because it can't handle the amount of requests from all the users that are coming to your site. So if you do have an article that you're going to post on Digg and you feel fairly confident that it's going to be successful, I would recommend that you notify your hosting company to make sure that they can support this type of traffic to your site. Make sure that if it does exceed a certain bandwidth, that they'll automatically bump you up to the next level, or whatever needs to be done to make sure that they can support that amount of traffic, because the last thing that you want to happen during a huge spike in traffic and a lot of potential buyers coming to your site is for your site to go down. Okay, that about does it for today's tutorial. Thanks for joining us at Results Detection Unleashed, and please come back and visit us, results-detection.com.